Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Telegram securely using privacy settings. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Telegram app on your device. Navigate to the settings menu by tapping the gear icon. Scroll down to find the privacy and security option. Select privacy. Here, you can adjust who can see your last seen status. Choose between everyone, my contacts, and nobody. Next, go back to the privacy menu. Tap on phone number to manage visibility. Choose whether you want your number visible to everyone, my contacts, or nobody. Return to the privacy and security menu. Find the two-step verification option and tap on it. Enable two-step verification for added security. Follow the prompts to set a password and email for recovery. Once completed, go back to the privacy and security menu. Look for active sessions to view logged in devices. Here, you can terminate any sessions that seem suspicious. Now, tap on Data Settings. Adjust the settings for media downloads according to your preference. Ensure you review your blocked contacts for unwanted interactions. Finally, make sure your app is updated to the latest version for improved security features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.